Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about adapting with the law of nature. The laws of nature are the fundamental principles that govern the universe. They are the same everywhere in the universe, and they have been in effect for billions of years. Humans are part of nature, and we are subject to the laws of nature just like everything else. However, we have the ability to understand and use the laws of nature to our advantage. When we adapt with the law of nature, we can achieve our goals more easily and efficiently. We can also live in harmony with nature, and we can help to protect the environment. There are many ways to adapt with the law of nature. Here are a few examples. We can use renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. We can recycle and compost, and we can reduce our consumption of resources. We can live in sustainable communities, and we can support businesses that are committed to sustainability. When we adapt with the law of nature, we are not only helping ourselves, but we are also helping the planet. The importance of understanding the laws of nature. In order to adapt with the law of nature, we first need to understand them. The laws of nature are the fundamental principles that govern the universe, and they are the same everywhere in the universe. By understanding the laws of nature, we can learn how to work with them, rather than against them. The benefits of adapting with the law of nature. When we adapt with the law of nature, we can achieve our goals more easily and efficiently. We can also live in harmony with nature, and we can help to protect the environment. For example, by using renewable energy sources, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help to mitigate climate change. By recycling and composting, we can reduce the amount of waste we produce and help to conserve natural resources. By living in sustainable communities, we can reduce our impact on the environment and create a more livable world for ourselves and for future generations. The challenges of adapting with the law of nature. There are some challenges to adapting with the law of nature. For example, it can be difficult to change our habits and lifestyles. It can also be difficult to convince others to change their habits and lifestyles. However, the challenges are worth it, because the benefits of adapting with the law of nature are great. The importance of taking action. The best way to adapt with the law of nature is to take action. There are many things we can do, big and small, to make a difference. We can start by making small changes in our own lives and then gradually make bigger changes. Every little bit helps. Adapting with the law of nature is the key to a sustainable future. When we work with nature, rather than against it, we can create a better world for ourselves and for generations to come. So, what can you do to adapt with the law of nature? There are many things you can do, big and small. Start by making small changes in your life, and then gradually make bigger changes. Every little bit helps. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has motivated you to adapt with the law of not to.